Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Buzz Lightyear. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off with the eyes at the top with 2 circles. Now let's add another circle inside each one. Then let's add another one inside on the top right. Then in the center, let's draw a curve behind for the pupils. And color these both in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw the eyebrows. For the right side, let's draw a curve up. With another curve on top. Now for the left eyebrow, let's draw a wavy line across. And another one on top. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start with 2 curves down near the top here. And a curve across. Now for the sides of the head, let's draw 2 longer curves down. And a curve across the bottom for the chin. Now let's hop in and let's finish the face. Let's start with the curve down, curve it over and up for the nose. And then for the mouth, underneath on the left, let's draw a small curve and then curve it over to the right. Then let's hop down and let's draw a small swirl on the chin. Now that we're done the face, let's hop back up to the top. Let's draw a curve down on each side. And a curve for the top of the head. Then on each side, let's add another curve going down like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start near the bottom and let's draw a curve out on each side. And then a curve across underneath. Now inside, let's add the neck with 2 lines down. Now from the sides, let's draw another small bump out. And another curve across the bottom. Now from the sides, let's bring it out again. A small angle down underneath the inside. Then hop out and a longer curve down and in. Now let's curve it in towards the center from each side, leaving a small gap in the middle. And then angle each side up, meeting at a point. Now let's hop in, and at the top, let's draw 2 lines down Angle them in underneath. And then align down in the center. Now inside on the right, let's add a circle. And then on the left side, let's draw 3 skinny ovals. Now we're going to hop back out to the sides and let's draw a curve out. And curve it back into the bottom corners. And then add another line down inside. Next, we're going to hop on top and let's draw a rectangle shape up on each side. And then a smaller one next to it. Now on the inside, let's add 2 curves in, back towards the head on each side. And then an angle down on top. Next, let's hop back down and continue the torso. From each side, let's draw a curve down and in. And connect it with a curve up across at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves down on each side. Now for the next section of the body, let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 bumps down. And a curve across. Then let's add 2 more curves across inside. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down on each side. Curve it down towards the center and leave a gap in the middle. And then connect it in the center. Now inside this section, let's add a point up in the middle. Then let's angle it out on each side. Next, underneath, let's draw the legs. Underneath each side, let's draw 2 angles down. Then on the outside, let's draw a large oval like this. And then from the inside, let's bring it in. Now on the inside, let's draw an angle down. And then add a smaller oval underneath. Then from the outside, let's draw an angle down. And curve it back in. Now inside at the bottom, let's add another curve across. Now let's hop back up near the top of the legs and let's draw another angle down. Continue it in the oval with a curve. And then angle it down to the bottom underneath. Lastly, for the legs here, let's draw the feet. Underneath, let's draw a curve for the toe of the shoes. A small line down for the heel. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve at the bottom. And then inside, let's draw a curve down. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to hop back up and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's add a curve going down on each side. And then curve it back in. Now for the next section, let's add 2 angles down. And close it off with a curve at the bottom. And then inside this section, let's draw a curve down from the top. Now for the forearms, let's leave a small gap and let's draw an angle across. Then in the gap, let's draw 2 curves. And add a small circle inside. Now let's continue the forearms with 2 angles down and in. And close it off at the bottom. Now inside, let's start near the top and let's curve it down and across. Now at the bottom, let's draw the hands. Starting from the inside, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumbs. And let's curve it down underneath. Now let's hop back up and let's draw a curve down as well. And then close off the end of the hands. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves across in the center. And then a rectangle shape on top. And lastly, inside at the bottom, let's draw some curves for the fingers. And that's it for Buzz. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!